Welcome to Money Made Simple. Today we're covering how to build an emergency fund from scratch. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Imagine your car breaks down unexpectedly, or you face a sudden medical bill. Did you know nearly 60% of Americans can't cover a surprise $1,000 expense without going into debt? That's scary. Today, we're going to build your financial safety net, step by step, so you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Let's start building your emergency fund. An emergency fund is simply cash saved for true emergencies, like unexpected job loss, a major home repair, or an urgent medical bill. It's not for a new TV. The ultimate goal is 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. Sounds like a lot? Don't worry. Your immediate goal today is to save your first $500 or even $1,000. It's your financial first aid kit. Start small. This money needs to be separate, safe, and easily accessible. Keeping it in your checking account makes it too easy to spend accidentally. Open a separate, high-yield savings account. Online banks often offer better interest rates than traditional banks, meaning your money grows a little faster. Your action today: research best high-yield savings accounts and open one up for your emergency fund. Time to become a money detective. Look at your spending from the last week. Can you cut back on daily lattes, unused streaming subscriptions, or impulse buys? Challenge yourself. Can you find $20, $50, or even $100 you can save this week by making small adjustments? Skip one takeout meal, brown bag your lunch, or cancel that gym membership you never use. Find that money and put it into your new emergency fund account today. The absolute easiest way to save is to make it automatic. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund savings every payday. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill you have to pay yourself first, even if it's just $25 or $50 a week. It adds up surprisingly fast without you even thinking about it. Your mission today: go into your bank app or website right now and schedule your first automatic transfer. Got a tax refund coming? Receive a work bonus? Get some cash for your birthday? Don't spend it all. Dedicate a significant portion, or even all, of these windfalls directly to your emergency fund. Also, consider a temporary side hustle like dog walking, babysitting, or selling unused items online. Every extra dollar gets you closer to financial peace of mind. What found money can you add to your fund this month? Mistake number 1: not starting at all. Just begin, even if it's $10. Mistake number 2: using your emergency fund for non-emergencies, like a vacation, a new gadget, or fancy dinners. This fund is sacred and should only be touched for true emergencies. Mistake number 3: investing it in the stock market. Your emergency fund needs to be safe and easily accessible, liquid, not subject to market ups and downs. Keep it in a savings account. You've got this. 1. Set a mini goal: $500 to $1,000. 2. Open a separate high-yield savings account. 3. Find money to save this week. 4. Automate transfers every payday. 5. Boost with found money. Start today, even if it's just $10. Every dollar counts. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. That's everything for today's video on how to build an emergency fund from scratch. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. New finance tips every week on Money Made Simple.